How to create a questionnaire using Google Forms. Google Forms, that's the violet one. After you create a brand new document, you will see the header of your questionnaire when you can put a title and short description. And then there will be already the first question. By default, it's multiple choice question. So you can put your question here at the very top, and then you can give several options, 3 or 4 options to choose from. So you can type answers over there, and the users will be able to select one answer. What if you want to allow for multiple choices, but when users can select multiple answers at the same time? This type of question is called checkboxes. So we can add a new question by clicking the plus on the right side, and we got a new question added just below. This time we move to checkboxes. So I'm changing the type of the question by opening this drop-down menu. Checkboxes is similar, but now the users will be able to mark multiple answers while they submitting this question, not choose only one. Alright, what if you want your user to type something in, like age, name, email? You can use a short format. So short answer allow the user to simply type the text. So answer your question and let the user to type a short paragraph. If you want long paragraph for some reason, you can use a paragraph question when you got more space for the user to type the answer. If you feel like this is really important question and you need to know that, like, I don't know, age of the user, for example, you can make this question required by turning on this little toggle. And without answer for this question, the form cannot be submitted to you. There are a few more types. The one that is really overlooked is a scale one. So linear scale, when you can ask user to grade something from 1 to 10, for example. Very handy question. What else can we use? We got a multiple choice grid, a bit advanced when you got rows and columns to scale and grade stuff. Checkbox grid, when you can select multiple options. There's also an option to send a file to you, so you can ask user to add a picture or screenshot. It's also possible. What else is here? We got also drop down, and drop down is a very same type of question like multiple choice, just take a bit less space. So if you got multiple choice question with, like, I don't know, 10 different answers, it will take so much space in your form, so you can use drop down instead of multiple choice. The presentation is the only difference here. Keep in mind, you can ask the question, but you can also upload the image. You can use the image in the question or ask the question by clicking this image icon. But also, in some cases, if you make a multiple choice, you can also use the image as an answer. So you can put simply icons, logos, pictures as answers. So you're asking about something and then putting images, so the user pick the correct image based on your question. If you want to put some extra text in your questionnaire, you can use additional text box. So that's not a question, just space for you to put some extra text, extra explanation, same extra image as well. We can put extra image, even the video. And if your form is long, you can divide it into sections. Take a look at the very end here, add section. So you got section 2 of 2. So user fill in question in section 1, and then it will be taken to section 2. So if your form is like too long, too big, it's a good idea to divide it into sections. The final touch will be to customize the appearance. So we can head to the top, customize theme, when we can change the font size, font type, color of the form, background color, even choose the header image that will appear at the very top of your form. If you are ready to distribute your form, simply click send, where you can put emails, or you can generate a link that you can send to others, and they will be able to fill this form for you just by sharing this link over here. Keep in mind, you can check the preview of your form by clicking this little eye icon to see how the users will see it after you send it to them. I hope this short tutorial was helpful. I will see you in the next one.